It's like 11 o'clock.
It's like 9:40.
Oh my god.
I want it to be the intro. It's like 11 o'clock.
Hey guys, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a very special guest with me. This is Andy. This is my husband. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Look that way.
Freak out frame. 1, 2, 3.
I'm
in the same direction. You're terrible at this. There's someone who punches you and you fall this way?
So we can't be serious. So Andy has agreed to paint my nails today, and I am giving him complete liberty. He can do whatever he wants to my nails, and I feel like I'm going to regret it. If he does a good enough job, I might wear it for more than 12 hours.
Oh. You have to wear it for more than 12 hours, regardless of what I do. My artistic integrity is on the line here.
Okay. So I will agree to an extent. If
you 12 hours.
12 hours, I have to wear this manicure. Yay! Okay, I'm here. First, you need to
Pop them peelies.
Do you know how to do that?
A pop? I always wanted to try actually, because I always see you just do it and it just happens. Don't.
It's not gonna work.
Then we're gonna be here for a long ass time.
You have to put oil around them first.
Why would I do that? I
It loosens
slick it up.
It loosens them up.
Alright.
Okay.
Now may I proceed?
Huh?
I'm gonna get a wood one.
There you go.
Brown.
Yeah. I mean, to be fair, they were gel, so they're very easy to remove. Ow! I'm just kidding.
Jerk.
Ow! No, that one actually hurt. You're going, that's under my nail. There you go. Alright, so I'm naked. Alright, so.
Bip.
I mean, if you want. It's your video.
Bip. I'm gonna do it.
I'm probably going
to. I'm booping them. I think that's the thing you ought to do. That's not the thing with the cuticle. You boop the cuticle. You boop it. Boop.
Alright, so here's what I'm gonna do. I am going to clean this up a little. Okay.
It's cheating.
You need to pick your supplies.
Alright, for reference, I'm gonna use glitter and I'm gonna use a non-peel-off base coat. I know that's the best thing to do, right?
No.
I'm assuming paparazzi is your peel-off base coat. It sounds like a peel-off base coat. Will you confirm or deny that?
If you want to use the peel-off base coat, I suggest...
you want me to use the peel-off base coat.
I can tell you it is not paparazzi brand.
I think it's the UNT. Because it looks
Good
right.
job.
Blip. Alright, here we go. Do I want to cap it?
If you want.
Do you cap it?
Sometimes.
Dip it.
That's... Yeah. You could probably get away with using less.
Good job. That's a trademark technique.
Is it?
It is.
That was my stomach. Oh my god. That was so loud. I wonder if it turned up on camera.
If not, we're gonna put the effect in. Bip.
What service? This is gonna take a really long time, so you can actually pause the camera and take a break.
What you got there?
It's for me.
You sure? I'd like some of that. It smells pretty good. See, I'm sipping.
Hey babe, you've been replaced.
I'm okay with that.
This is pretty much dry. To finally pick a base color. keeping in mind what art you want to do, nail art you want to do.
Okay.
So what are you going for? Like, what's the look you're going for?
I'm gonna do a data cure.
Ooh, a data cure. Alright, so...
I have to shake it.
Mm-hmm.
Should I not be using this?
You can use whatever color you want, babe.
I leave it on the hollow. What's your problem?
Just open it.
Oh dear God. I've been lied to.
It's a striping brush.
Babe!
Do whatever you want, it's fine.
Shit, do you have a black hollow over here?
No.
Well, what thing's a
No,
black
actually,
and then a hollow?
I do have a very dark colored hollow.
I just want dark that's not perfectly dark. I want dark with body. What's this?
Sheer black.
Just black.
No, sheer black.
It's translucent black.
Yes.
What's this?
Black.
What's this?
Black.
I'm missing a pattern.
Just the Salon Perfect Black is my favorite. It's the One Coat Wonder.
That's what I need. Give me your hand, girl.
How much on the brush?
Dude, well, I'm the one who's like,
Hey, no,
I do it, and you're
no,
like,
Oh no, the bead.
No,
the
I'm
bead's
sorry.
gonna be on that side.
I'm sorry.
So I do the bead, and then
Sorry.
it's like, oh no, you shouldn't even be a
No,
bead.
I'm sorry. I apologize. Please
You know, I'm just
proceed.
gonna
I don't want to look. I'm so scared.
It's not my fault, dude. It won't go up in there. This isn't a one coat wonder.
It is.
In the right hands, it is. It's both thick and not thick enough. I'm trying to fix it with more. That's how it works, right? Just put more on. That'll make it better. This is like shit.
You just gotta go in with confidence, babe.
I'm so focused that my tongue is hanging out. I feel like I'm gonna either get your skin or not the part of the nail I want to get. It's like I either gotta, I don't know. It's like if I can't get in there. But I do gotta admit, this is a very particularly solid black. It just goes on.
Mm-hmm. Is there booze in this?
Not enough. I touched it. My germ.
And I have to wear this for 12 hours.
Yeah, good enough.
Sit down.
Eh,
Oh my god.
eh. I don't care. Done.
Alright, well, I mean, you gotta clean up a little bit. I'm interested to see how you do when it comes to the cleaning up the pinky.
Just adding more black to your finger.
Here, let
Ah,
me-
don't put your finger into the brush.
I'm sorry.
Just make it more dark. Or I'll clean it up in post.
Like, you can't do that.
Just Photoshop it out.
Oh my god.
Give me a second, I'm not done. God, it keeps not doing your tip. It just goes away after a second. It's like
You'd be very good at, like, the dry brushing technique.
typical woman compliment.
Like, oh my god, I love how you have the confidence to just wear anything.
That's what you just did. You're like, hey, the thing that most people don't want to do,
Yeah.
you're great at
Great
it.
at it. You're awesome. So, what do you want to do next?
Give me my CD.
This is a good tip for, if you have a ton of those, like, blank CDs lying around that you're never going to use anymore. You use it as a paint palette.
USB, baby.
It's all about that USB.
Stick it in. Didn't work. Stick it in again.
Dotting tools. So those are here. Good job. Nice. don't get my nails done that often.
You like bad nail jobs, you get used to it.
Sometimes you just want to feel pampered.
I give you your token hollow.
My hollow. I'll take it.
I'm not gonna lie. Sort of proud of this one.
Yeah.
I got up in there. It looked kind of good.
It is a great formula.
Essentially, it's sort of like you're painting minifigs and like nerd
Oh,
stuff.
mini figurines.
Yeah,
I thought you meant like figs, like the fruit. You want to try something different? You want to try nail vinyls?
Already here.
So you are gonna want to put on a top coat.
Oh, I'm gonna put top coat on everything since I'm here.
Yeah, if your other nails are done, then yeah.
Yeah. Oh God, don't smear. Oh, don't think it's smeared. Wow, actually looks not bad.
Yeah, no, you did good.
That was too much.
That's okay. You can never have too much top coat.
We good?
We're good.
It's good.
So do you know what you're supposed to do next?
Paint on it and then tear that shit off.
Well, don't tear it off.
Yeah.
No one cares about the thumbnail anyway.
Give me that thumb.
Oh my god.
Shit, a lot of things. Solid.
Hey! Good
Not
job!
bad for my first.
Yeah! No, you did good. Alright, you ready to stamp?
There we go.
Those are all of my stamping plates. I don't have a ton, but do you know how to stamp?
I have watched you make your video.
So you watched my video on how to stamp?
Nope, I watched you make your video. Spending more money?
I am not. This was PR. Here, I'll show the people. Step one. Swipe.
Okay.
Just nice quick swipe. Nice.
Alright, we're just gonna go.
Roll it. Yep.
Ooh.
You did it!
I did it.
I did it! Now
Where's your?
Oh, my lint roller? Yeah, no acetone on my stampers.
Was that ever mentioned in your how-to video?
It is actually. I said
Well.
that I prefer to clean it with a lint roller.
Yeah.
You actually, if you saw my video, you would know that you could probably use a piece of Scotch tape to clean it up.
Well, do you have a bit of? Expect me to watch your videos?
Yes.
What am I, like a supporting husband or something?
Thought so.
Good enough.
Just careful you don't like put the tape on the nail and press too
That's
hard.
what-
Because you did put a peel off base coat, so imagine you just put the tape down and
Start from scratch.
well, that's what happened when I was doing my little Argyle nails. That one nail, actually that nail.
Not a very lucky nail.
It's not a lucky nail. No, it used to be my star tutorial nail, but I gave that position to my pointer finger. Point Dexter.
No, that's your
Point.
sinister hand.
That's what?
So in Latin,
Yeah.
it's dexter and sinister are right and left.
Yeah.
So that's why you're dexterous with the right hand. That's where the word sinister comes from. Not
Gotcha.
many people were evil.
Gotcha.
Gotta love them Romans. Top coat hides all the sins.
It does. It really does.
It's like looking at a car after it's rained. It just looks sexier. That's why you look so good in the shower.
Babe. I mean,
Good.
the application technique needs a little work. It comes with practice. Your stamping was on point. The thumbnail was pretty cool.
Yeah, I think that this one though is my favorite though. The
Which
little,
one?
Little wave.
This one?
It just looks the most intentional and clean.
Yeah. So what did you think of this experience? Would you do this again? Does this mean that I can paint your nails? Do you want to do my outro?
Like the video, smash the subscribe button, hit the little bell. Until next time, see ya.
And thanks so much for watching.
Nah, I don't care about that part.
I'm ready for bed.
Yeah,
I'm really tired.
always. sillies out. Jeez. I'm not gonna do anything because your nails are so distracting.
Oh, thank you. They're hollow. We just wasted like 5 minutes.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Hello, my name's Dan Rather. This is your show.
It is my show. What?
It's like back here though.
Oh, look at my teeth?
Well, where else would it be? Fine.
You don't know what I need. Look, no, I have lip gloss on.
Not anymore. What brings you here? Cover your optics? Does that have a nice body? Would you hold it against me? How much does the polar bear weigh?
Good for you.
Good for you.
Are you done?
I'm done.
Okay. Give me this again. Mom.
I can just.
Can you please sit down? You're making me so anxious.
You can breathe now.
Would you be so kind as to take the black off of my...
Nah.
Oh.
A bit more. See, you're fine. Let me get this base coat.
Alright, so...
Cut.